In this video we are going to connect Python and the Metatrader terminal. Actually, we are going to use the Python interface provided by MQL5.com to start up our terminal with a specific account and credentials. So let's see how that can be done with Python and Metatrader5. First of all, this is my Metatrader5 terminal, it's running, and here is the current account number. This is 5245388. Now I want to use Python to start up the Metatrader5 terminal and open a specific account. And to do that I have created a file in Notepad, which is going to import Metatrader5 for Python. I have already activated my virtual environment here. That is something that we have done in the last video. And to install the library, we can use pip. So let's try pip install Metatrader5. In my case, it says the requirement already is satisfied because I have done the installation before. So let's go back to my home directory here. And here I have created this file. It says import Metatrader5 as MT5, which will import the Metatrader5 Python implementation. Then I'm using a print statement because I want to show something on the screen. In this case, the package version of Metatrader5. And then we are going to use this line of code here. If Metatrader5 is not up and running, we want to start it. In this case, I'm going to initialize Metatrader5 with this account number, server and password. And if that doesn't work, we are going to print out an error about the initialization that failed. And this is the file name of the Python script. So let's go back to the command line prompt and type in Python and the name of the file. So let's see what happens. Here is the version, and now it has actually opened the account number that I have specified by using my little Python script. So let's close Metatrader completely. On top of this, I will open the task manager here, so you can see Metatrader currently is not running at all. Let's reformat this command line box here and have a look at the taskbar when I run the script. Let's press enter and you should see Metatrader5 appear in the task manager here. There is Metatrader and here is the task manager, and it opened the correct account number. So that's basically the Hello World example about how to use Python to remote control Metatrader. I can even have a running instance with a different account number, rerun the script, and it should switch the account here within seconds. That's it for this video. And in this little video you have learned how to use a very simple Python script to connect to Metatrader and start up a specific account. And this time you have done it with just a few lines of Python code. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.